In this video, I will demonstrate the omniverse-styles extension to accompany the article. We select an element, make sure our extension is selected, select development, omniverse-stylesgen, and then click the inspect settings button to the right of the drop-down, which allows us to select our custom action. Select the action, which opens the iframe, and then I have a button here which simulates a file download, and we will save these files and overwrite, and then I can go open these files to show you what's inside them. Okay, and we have all of the colors, JSON, and the Python files that you would add to your Isaac Sim extension. You can see the Python file on the right here. Okay, and then we'll briefly look at the code. So it starts here. We have implemented the two callbacks on generate and on preferences change. These are implemented in the callbacks function. So we'll go to the next bookmark. Let's see, it's to be this one. So here we're processing the variable collections into objects, and then we can send those files to the UI over the post message. And then we set up our message handler for the specific event we've extracted from the message data and call the handler for that event type. And then this simply uses a library to put the files in a zip and simulate the download. Okay, thanks.